Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next of my Zombicide Undead Alive box set. This is Jeb. He was black and white primed, and I get started with black brown for his trousers. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt base coated with mummy robes. For his waistcoat, I went for 2 thin coats wolf grey. This is a bit bluer than I hoped it would be, but some extra saturation is never really a bad thing. I then get his skin base coated with Sunny's skin tone. Next up, I grabbed Ancient Forest for his hair and the highlights on his trousers. The next highlight is Ivory Tusk for his shirt. I do brighten up that apron as well, ready for its own highlight later on. For the highlights on his waistcoat, I went for Gravestone Blue. I do try to dot in his eyes with this as well, but it doesn't really show up. I then used cork brown to add a highlight for his hair and the wooden parts of the shotgun. Now that the ivory tusk is dry, I highlight up the apron using Trooper White. There are a few straps around him that I added in with Demon Red. The metal parts, which is basically just the shotgun at this point, gets a once over with plate armor. As with the rest of my Zombicide minis, they get a base with plague brown. Moving on to the washes, I wash his waistcoat with blue tone. The rest of the mini gets a wash with light tone. And that will be it for Jeb. A little bluer than I would have liked, but it still looks decent enough on the tabletop. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.